1. What is the defining characteristic of periodic motion? Answer. B. It repeats itself after a fixed interval of time. Explanation. Periodic motion is defined as a motion that repeats itself in identical cycles after a fixed interval of time, such as the motion of clock arms or Earth's orbital motion. 2. Which of the following is an example of oscillatory motion? Answer. C. The motion of a simple pendulum. Explanation. Oscillatory motion involves a back and forth or to and fro motion around a fixed point, such as the motion of a simple pendulum. 3. In simple harmonic motion, SHM, the restoring force is. Answer. A. Directly proportional to the displacement of the particle. Explanation. In SHM, the restoring force is proportional to the displacement of the particle from its mean position and always acts towards the mean position. 4. What is the formula for the angular frequency omega in SHM? Answer. B. Omega equals 2 pi v. Explanation. The angular frequency omega is related to the frequency n by the formula omega equals 2 pi v, where v is the frequency in hertz and omega is the angular frequency in radians per second. The time period, t, of a simple pendulum is dependent on. Answer. C. The acceleration due to gravity. G. Explanation. The time period of a simple pendulum depends on the length of the pendulum and the acceleration due to gravity. G. But not on the mass of the bob or the amplitude for small oscillations. 6. The energy in simple harmonic motion, SHM, is. Answer. C. A constant sum of kinetic and potential energy. Explanation. In SHM, the total energy, kinetic plus potential, remains constant over time, with energy continuously shifting between kinetic and potential forms, but the total remains the same. 7. What is damped harmonic motion? Answer. C. Oscillatory motion where the amplitude decreases over time due to damping forces. Explanation. Damped harmonic motion occurs when friction or other resistive forces reduce the amplitude of oscillations over time. 8. In which of the following media can transverse waves be produced? Answer. C. Solids. Explanation. Transverse waves can propagate in solids and on the surface of liquids, but not in the interior of liquids or gases because the particles in those media cannot oscillate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation. 9. What type of wave is a sound wave? Answer. A. Longitudinal mechanical wave. Explanation. Sound waves are mechanical waves that require a medium and propagate in the form of compressions and rarefactions, which are characteristic of longitudinal waves. 10. Which of the following is not a characteristic of sound? Answer. A. Sound can propagate in vacuum. Explanation. Sound requires a medium, solid, liquid or gas, to propagate and cannot travel through a vacuum. 11th. Doppler's effect refers to? Answer. B. The apparent change in frequency due to relative motion between the source and observer. Explanation. Doppler's effect is the observed change in frequency or wavelength of a wave in relation to an observer who is moving relative to the source of the wave. 12 sonar is used for. Answer. B. Locating submarines and measuring ocean depth. Explanation. Sonar, sound navigation and ranging, uses sound waves to detect objects like submarines and measure the depth of water. 13. What is the speed of sound in air at room temperature? 20 degrees Celsius. Answer. B. 332 meters per second. Explanation. The speed of sound in air at 20 degrees Celsius is approximately 332 meters per second. It increases with temperature and varies in different media. 14. What is the definition of oscillatory motion? Answer. B. A motion in which a body moves back and forth around a fixed point. Explanation. Oscillatory motion refers to any motion where an object moves to and fro about a fixed point. Examples include the motion of a simple pendulum and a loaded spring. 15. What does the equation x equals a sine of wt plus theta represent in simple harmonic motion, SHM? Answer. A. The position of the particle as a function of time. Explanation. This equation represents the displacement of a particle undergoing simple harmonic motion at any given time, where A is the amplitude, W is the angular frequency, and theta is the phase. 16. Which of the following is the correct formula for the time period T of a simple pendulum? Answer: A. T equals 2 pi Lg. T equals 2 pi Lg. Explanation: the time period of a simple pendulum is given by the formula T equals 2 pi Lg. T equals 2 pi Lg, where L is the length of the pendulum and G is the acceleration due to gravity. 17. Which type of wave requires a material medium for propagation? Answer: A. Mechanical waves. Explanation: mechanical waves, such as sound waves and water waves, require a material medium, solid, liquid, or gas, for propagation. Electromagnetic waves, such as light, can travel through a vacuum. 18. The speed of sound in air increases with. Answer: B. An increase in temperature. Explanation: the speed of sound in air increases with the rise in temperature. A 1 degree Celsius increase in temperature increases the speed of sound by approximately 0.61 meters per second. 19. What is the main difference between a transverse wave and a longitudinal wave? Answer: B. Transverse waves move perpendicular to the direction of propagation, while longitudinal waves move parallel to the direction of propagation. Explanation: in transverse waves, particles of the medium move up and down or side to side, perpendicular to the direction of wave travel. In longitudinal waves, particles move in the same direction as the wave. The frequency range of audible sound waves lies between. Answer: B. 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Explanation: audible sound waves fall within the frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, which is the range that can be heard by the average human ear. 21. Which of the following noise reduction systems provides the most aggressive noise reduction? Answer: D. Dolby SR. Explanation: the Dolby SR spectral recording system provides up to 25 decibels of noise reduction, making it the most aggressive noise reduction system among the listed options. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to join us and celebrate these incredible accomplishments. Your support and engagement mean so much to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on future content. See you next time.